Welcome to my Unreal Engine RPG series. In this series we will be creating the foundation for a role-playing game. If you ever wanted to learn how to create an RPG, then this is a series to make that dream become reality. Using all the knowledge we have gathered over the last 100 plus tutorials on the channel, we now have all the pieces we need to create a gameplay framework. We will be building several systems by using good practices. Each part of the RPG series will be broken into small, manageable videos. Each video will explain both how we do things but also why. We will be creating many very powerful, flexible and scalable systems to make use of. We will be creating characters with stats such as hit points, mana, strength or any other stat you can think of. We will be creating an XP system, a weapon system, a property system by using gameplay tags. We will be creating a status effect system which will be able to handle any kind of debuff, buff or effect you may want to create. We will set up easy communication between classes for great interactivity. All of this we will create and more. If this sounds appealing to you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because this tutorial series will be coming soon. Keep on learning, take care.